we're back to exploring the Google Chrome functions. Let us talk about tabs and pins. I've got 3 tabs open and a new tab. Let me close the Chrome Web Store. If I want to restore it, just right click up here and you've got the function down there. Let's say I want to close this tab to the right. And now this new tab is gone. Let's say you've got a website that you always visit, you can pin it. So this is going to be shown every time you open your browser, and it's not a tab that can be easily closed. Let's reopen Web Store and pin it also, so you can add multiple pins to Chrome. Unpin it right here, and then it's a tab, and you can close it just like this. Let's just say you have multiple tabs and you want them all gone. Let's right click here, close tabs to the right, the 2 new tabs are gone. Let me open more, right click, close other tabs, all tabs except for this one are closed and the pin is not affected. Let me unpin it and now you can close it. And this is how you can use tabs and pins in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.